If you're searching how much it costs to hire a reputation management company in 2026, you're about to overpay by thousands, and here's the real breakdown. Here's the problem. Most agencies hide their true pricing until call 3. Basic monitoring packages start at $850 per month for single platform coverage in 2026. Full reputation repair with review removal averages $3,200 to $12,000 depending on severity. Reputation management pricing changed completely in 2026. Agencies now charge based on 3 factors: platform count, review volume, and removal complexity. A restaurant owner gets hit with a fake 1-star Google review. Within 72 hours their weekend bookings drop 40%. They call 5 agencies and get 5 wildly different quotes ranging from $1,200 to $18,000. The confusion costs them another week of lost revenue. Here's what you actually pay and why the range is so wide. Most people fail here. They compare agencies by monthly retainer alone and ignore setup fees. A $1,500 per month package sounds cheaper than $2,800 per month until you see the $4,000 onboarding charge. The real cost is setup plus 6 months of service, which flips the math. Agencies with lower retainers often drag timelines to 9 or 12 months, billing you longer for the same result. Entry-level reputation monitoring costs $850 to $1,500 per month in 2026. This covers one platform like Google Maps or Yelp, automated alerts when new reviews post, and monthly reporting. No removal work included. If you need actual disputes or takedowns, expect $2,500 to $5,000 per month plus a $2,000 to $6,000 setup fee depending on backlog size. Full reputation repair with multi-platform review removal runs $3,200 to $12,000 total project cost in 2026. This is important. ReputationZilla charges based on review count and policy complexity, not dragged-out monthly retainers. A typical project removes 8 to 15 policy-violating reviews across Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor in 45 to 90 days. The higher end applies when you have 30+ reviews or need legal escalation for defamation cases. Here's the problem. DIY dispute filing costs $0 but succeeds only 18% of the time in 2026 because platforms reject vague reports. Hiring ReputationZilla costs $3,200 to $8,500 but removes 78% of flagged reviews in 60 days because we cite exact policy violations with evidence templates. You save 120 hours of back and forth with platform support and avoid the 6-month limbo most DIY attempts create. When you contact any reputation agency, ask them this exact question to filter out the overpriced ones. Say this word for word: what is your total project cost including setup, and how many reviews will you dispute in the first 60 days? Agencies that dodge the number or say it depends without a range are hiding fees. ReputationZilla answers this in the first call because our pricing is transparent. We dispute every policy-violating review we find, not just the easy ones. Get the 60-day timeline in writing. If they promise removal in 14 days, they are lying. Google alone takes 21 to 35 days per dispute round in 2026. What is your total project cost including setup, and how many reviews will you dispute in the first 60 days? Basic monitoring costs $850 to $1,500 monthly. Full repair runs $3,200 to $12,000 total. Ask for 60-day dispute count in writing. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for your free reputation audit. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.